Dr. Renee Lenahan from Upper Cervical Chiropractic. Today I'm going to be reviewing a home care device to help restore curvature to the low back. So as a review, the low back should have a nice graceful backwards C shape, very similar to the neck. However, over time, often this low back will straighten and flatten out, causing increased pressure on the disc and limiting the space for nerves to come out in the back here. So what this home care device does is allows for the patient to gracefully arch over and relax into the stretch, allowing that curvature to return. So I have two devices here. For most of our patients, they'll be using this yellow retrainer. It's a bit smaller and has a gentle curve, but allows for that curvature restoration that we refer to. Depending on the size of the patient and the need for curvature restoration, we do also have this larger lumbar Denneroll. This is more intense and most patients will be using the yellow retrainer, but I am going to show this in the video in case that applies to you. Dr. Perla here is going to be our model for today. So looking at your retrainer, the device should be placed right at your low back where it meets your sacrum, so that way the back can gracefully arch over. So always do this on a hard surface. Carpet is fine, but don't do it on a couch or mattress because the soft foam will bend and move, not giving you the proper curvatures. So for Dr. P, I'm going to place this down. I'm going to have you come and lay on back, placing this right at your waist there. All right, and lay on back. As you can see, Dr. P can lay all the way back with his head flat on the ground. If this is too much to lay all the way back and you find that you're having to strain to get back or your head can't touch the ground, use a pillow or a folded up towel. I'm just going to lift your head, Dr. P, and relax on back to provide some extra support. You're still getting that graceful curvature in your low back, but we don't want to strain the neck. All right, Dr. P, I'm going to have you roll over to your side and use your arms to press yourself up. Whenever you're using a Denneroll, you always want to roll to your side and press your arms up to sitting. You never want to do a full crunch, as that can strain the muscles that have been relaxing as you do the graceful stretch backwards. Now, also when Dr. P laid down on the table, his knees were bent. Over time, we want to work to have your legs out straight. However, it is okay to keep them bent in the beginning. Now, to use this device, you want to lay on it starting for 3 minutes, gradually increasing by 1 minute per day until you reach 20 minutes. Consistency is key here, so always start with the low time and gradually increase. It's much better to stay at 3 minutes, increase by 30 seconds, or even stop at a lower time and stay there for a little while, then try to jump to a much higher time and be in a lot of discomfort and then stop using the device. It's sort of like going to the gym, lifting weights. You wouldn't just start with 100 pounds. That's how you injure yourself. So always start low and gradually build up. Now, this should never be painful. It may be uncomfortable. You may even feel a little sore, but you should never feel any pain, any sharpness, particularly no tingling or numbness going down your legs. If that is something that you're experiencing, please stop using the Denneroll and talk with one of the doctors here. Oftentimes it's a placement issue and we can help you get it in the proper position. Now, I am going to show how to use the Denneroll here, just so that way you can see that as well. It is the same position with the same rules applied. So if you hand that to me. Thank you, Dr. P.
You're welcome.
All right. As you can see, both of these, the peak goes towards the base of the spine, and then it gracefully arches down towards the head. So I'm going to place that down there, and then I'm going to hold that in place as you arch backwards. There you go. You can see right at his low back, that's where it goes, arches back. All right, Dr. P, you can come on up again. That concludes on how to use your lumbar Denneroll. Please let us know if you have any questions. The doctors here are always available to answer any questions you might have.